I am starting something that most 11th graders don't even think about.
Most people think that you need to be an expert to start in EdTech, but I'm starting in 11th. Hey, I'm Ashwin and I'm a class 11th student. This is my journey of starting EdTech from scratch. As a student, I have realized that a lot of learning content on social media doesn't really match how students think. So, I have made it my goal to change that. Instead of waiting to become an expert, I've decided to start now. On this channel, I'll share simple explanations of difficult topics, practical study techniques that actually work, and real student experiences, struggles, and how to overcome them. I'm not here as a teacher, I'm here as a student, learning with you. If you're a student with an ambitious mind and is trying to improve, you're at the right place. To get unique and fascinating content, please consider subscribing this channel. I want you all to not only be my peers, but also to embark with me on this journey. Come on, let's grow together. Chalo! Just remember, this is just the beginning.